Want to surprise everyone and to wreak applause and delight of the public? Easy! With our new collection of tricks, you will learn how to extract candies from your phone, make an ordinary balloon fly without helium, and you can get items from an empty box. For the first trick, you will need an assistant and serious preparation. However, it is so worth it. Your assistant cuts off a part of your hand with a real saw. Your audience is terrified. Add a drum roll, and success is assured. Prepare a box of suitable length. Cut through 2 holes on top, one from the edge and the other closer to the opposite end. Your hand should easily pass through the second hole. Attach the 3 U-shaped cardboard structures on top of the box with double-sided adhesive tape tightly to each other. The middle one of them will be sawed by your assistant. It remains to correctly place your hand inside the box and add a drop of acting. Your girlfriend is not easily offended. With a good sense of humor? Then boldly show her this comic trick. Different objects appear in your hands out of nowhere before the eyes of your amazed friend. She closely follows your hands and in the end understands everything. Of course, it all depends on the good work of your assistant. You'll laugh together. One swipe on your phone and a pack of chewy candies falls into your hands. Place a candy on a monophonic background. Take a picture, then make a photo of the background itself. It should turn out so that when you swipe the picture to the right, the next one is the background. Put a package of sweets onto the back of the smartphone. Swipe the picture to the right and at the same time, pull out the candy. It's even easier than it seems. I'll tell you how to make a flying balloon without the use of helium. You will need a bag of pipe cleaner, a balloon, foil balls, a glass bottle, and ordinary water. Pour the cleaner in the bottle. Pour water. Throw the balls of foil in it. Pull the balloon on the neck of the bottle. The ball begins to swell. Aluminum foil causes a reaction which will release hydrogen, and hydrogen is known to be lighter than oxygen. Wait, balloon! Don't fly away! The next trick will simply discourage the unprepared audience. A stylish notebook appears in your hands just out of nowhere. The inner side of the hand presses the notebook to your body. Correct angle, and the notebook is not visible. To rehearse a little, and it will all work out. And now attention! Show to your friends an empty box without a bottom. Turn over the cardboard part. Conjure and run your hand into the box. A teddy bear, Chupa Chups, a handkerchief, another teddy bear. How much fits in here? Of course, there is no rabbit in there, but it looks very impressive. Using wide adhesive tape, attach a piece of cardboard to the box. Glue a paper bag to the cardboard. Put all kinds of little things in the bag. Hide it behind the cardboard wall. Unfold the cardboard and install it as the bottom of the box. When the package with its items is empty, return the piece of cardboard to its place. The paper package collapses and becomes almost invisible. Let's surprise your friends by the appearance of a coin in an empty glass. Do magic passes with your hand. A coin miraculously appears in a glass. You can pronounce some spell for persuasiveness. The secret is to hold the coin at the back of the glass with your middle finger and your index finger. Do an inconspicuous move at the right moment and the coin is in the glass. Another simple trick: tear a small napkin into pieces right before your friend. Fold the scraps in a small ball. Unfold it, the napkin turns out to be whole. It got a bit wrinkled. So what? The trick was still a success. You need a piece of a 2-layer napkin. Cut it in half. Divide a piece of the napkin into layers. One part of the napkin is crushed into a lump and attached to the nail of your thumb. Imperceptibly remove the napkin from the finger and unfold it. Done! For this trick, you need a large foam sponge. Draw a circle on the sponge. Cut it out. Form a ball with the piece of sponge using scissors. Cover the ball with a magic glass. Raise a glass. The ball seems to dissolve in the air. The secret is to imperceptibly roll the ball under the palm of your hand and raise it with the glass. The delight of the public is guaranteed to you. Do you want to reread Shakespeare's plays? Open the book and start to conjure. Get a cardboard box from the book. How did it end up there? For such a magic box, you need a sheet of scrap paper. Mark it according to this scheme. Fold the sheet along the lines. Unfold and bend along the lines in this way. Carefully punch the paper according to the drawing scheme. Fold the sheet and join the edges, inserting them into each other. It turned out a very nice folding box. It can be folded and hidden between the sheets of the book, and a slight pressure on the corners will make it three-dimensional. Hide the folded box under the cover of the book and prepare to surprise our friends. And now, a trick with a coin and a card. Place the coin with the painted heart in the package with the card. Pass your hand over the card. The coin passes through the card and appears on the other side with a different pattern. Here's how to repeat this trick. You will need a playing card. Make an incision in the center of the card. Put it in a Ziploc bag. On one side of the coin, draw a heart, and on the other, a diamond. Using double-sided adhesive tape, attach a magnet to the palm of your hand. The magnet attracts the coin. It easily passes through the notch in the card, showing the viewer a picture on the back side. Hide the delicious candy. Here it was, and now it's gone. Cover the Chupa Chups with the palms of your hands. Spread the palms. The candy on the stick disappeared. The secret is to gently push the Chupa Chups with your finger to the edge of the table. The participants of the next trick are two little snails. Carefully place the snail in the palm of your hand and begin to rock. Open our hands. No snails there. Cover the blue snail with your hand. It changes color to crimson. Here's the secret. Glue a piece of double-sided adhesive tape on your thumbnail. The snail sticks to the finger and hides from prying eyes. Drop it on the table with a light blow of the index finger. Fold a cone from a large sheet of colored paper. Put the red balloon in it. Conjure a little and pull a balloon out of it, only it turns yellow. You need two balloons of different colors. Put one balloon in the other, leaving the narrow part outside. While removing the balloon from the cone, pull the yellow balloon out of the red one. What an elementary magic! And this trick will surprise even the most sophisticated viewers. Spread the cards out. Press the coin to the cards from the side of the shirt. Stack cards with a pile and knock it on the table. Sort the cards through. There are no coins anywhere. Prepare the props for the trick. You need two cards. Make a semicircle on one of them, cut it off, attach double-sided adhesive tape to the piece of the card. Glue the two cards together. The coin hides in the card pocket. No one will find it here. Another card trick. With a light movement of the hand, the cards are turning into aces. You need 3 different cards. Fold the cards like this. Crop the protruding parts. Glue the parts in cascade. Choose 4 aces from the deck. Stack them with a pile and apply to the sandwich of the cards. Turn the cards face down. Get rid of the deceptive card. Voila! A wonderful reincarnation has taken place. And this trick will show all the dexterity of your fingers. Props are simple. An ordinary ballpoint pen with a cap. Let's all fool around. Cover the cap with your fingers and clamp it in your fist. Sharply pull the pen out, leaving the cap in your hand. Conjure and knock on the fist with the pen. Unclench your fingers and the cap is gone. Here it is, on the pen. And how did it end up there? The secret is to throw the cap from one hand to the other. Discreetly put the cap on the pen. Simple and effective. Did you like our video? Hurry to write in the comment section which of the tricks impressed you the most. A cut-off hand, the appearance of candy from the phone, or tricks with cards. Give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to click on the bell to watch our new videos first.